instant facelift. Hey guys, Angel Matthew O'Connor here, and on today's video I'm going to be installing this $7 bun from Amazon from a company called Aisi Queens. It comes in a package like this. They also gave me a free gift of these hoop earrings so I can wear smaller ones. Buns go with hoop earrings. Like, you can't have studs with the bun. I mean, you can, but these are cuter. Cute! So let's get into it. So I'm going to start out with pre-stretched hair. I washed my hair yesterday and I just put it in twists overnight to dry. I try not to put heat in my hair because it's just been working out better without the heat. So here is the attachment. And the attachment is pretty curly. That is why I didn't straighten my hair, because I wanted it to match the curl pattern here. Well, not match, but be somewhat similar. So it comes with a little drawstring here and clips on the inside. So the products I'm going to use today are my Eco Styling Gel, Shine and Jam, hairbrush, paddle brush, bobby pins maybe, hair ties, toothbrush for my edges, and this satin scarf. 4C hair is so funny because like you can do so much with it, but it's just so deceptive. Like my hair, look, but then look how far down it comes. I do need to get a trim though. Yeah, definitely need to get a trim. But look. So let's get started. Eco Styling Gel. Instant facelift. This part is always hard. You don't want to mess it up. Ugh. Oh, my hands are tired. This is why like black women have naturally like strong arms, I'm convinced, because we stay doing our hair. That's a instant workout. Shine and Jam. Sucked up in there. Now it's time for the baby hairs. I always thought with 4C hair that you couldn't do baby hairs until I just started watching YouTube videos and realizing I was just doing it wrong. You can do anything you want with your hair as long as you put in the effort to do so. I'm not gonna OD on the baby hairs either. See, look at that. Look at that. You'd think my hair was relaxed, and I have 4C hair, maybe 4D hair if it exists. Like, I was born in Central Africa, Congo to be exact. There's no different texture in my hair. It is 4C. this is the magic part. You take your scarf like this, place it on top of your head, and you stay like this for, I don't know, I'm just gonna do my makeup right now real quick. And you just let your hair marinate. I'm gonna let it marinate for as long as it takes to do my makeup, and then I'll be back. So now it's time to unveil the finished product here. Okay. There's a little hump there, but whatever. It's fine. I'm gonna make my bun into a smaller bun, and then put this bad boy up, and you put the drawstring here underneath so it's hidden, and then you just fluff up this situation. Okay, this looks reasonable, don't you think? Okay guys, so this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet, check out some of my other videos. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!